The House Committee on AIDS, Tuberculosis and Malaria Control, ATM, says it is set to partner with AIDS Healthcare Foundation, AHF, an NGO to improve healthcare services for the Nigerian girl-child. Honorable Abubakar Dahiru, Chairman, House Committee on AIDS, Tuberculosis and Malaria Control, ATM, disclosed this during an interface with AIDS Healthcare Foundation, AHF Nigerian Girls Act at the National Assembly, Abuja, in commemoration of 2020 International Day of the Girl-Child. Dahiru made the commitment in response to demands made by AIDS Healthcare Foundation, AHF Girls Act, which includes provision of adequate water and toilet facilities in schools, provision of sanitary pads and support to lower age, consent to access reproductive health services.
To have that partnership with them and pertaining the Girls Act, we are going to bring up a motion that we felt that is going to help them. That is why we said let them go and write all the grievances aspects so that they could be able to bring it to us. When they bring it to us, we are going to put it together. If it is a bill, we are going to present a bill. If it is a motion, we are going to present a motion.
Honorable Darlington Ngokocha, a member of AIDS, Tuberculosis and Malaria Control, ATM, also reiterated the commitment of the committee to partner with the foundation, saying such awareness campaigns were important to members.
The National Assembly and this committee must partner for every well-meaning objective that can drive the health architecture of this nation to a very better height and meet an international standard. Considering that there are certain vices which adolescents and youthful exuberances can lead to, it's not out of carelessness. Even if when they contract one or two diseases and things like that, that should not be the end, or it should be cast on sea that they should die. Stigmatization should be removed and let them be themselves and find a solution to their problems.
For their part, members of AIDS Healthcare Foundation, AHF Nigeria Girls Act, had this to say.
I made a demand about water, hygiene and sanitation. I've come to realize that water, hygiene and sanitation, it's human and child's rights. In most schools, several schools these days, they don't have water, they don't have hygiene, they don't have sanitation. And because of that effect, you see little girls contacting infections, malaria, typhoid. And this is bad to their health. So that is why I'm pleading to the honorable members to make it their fight to ensure.
We are looking for a generation whereby girls is no more molested, like the right of a girl child is being heard. We want a situation whereby a girl can do anything, like even in the midst of public, at times you see guys discussing. Once a girl interfered, they'll be like, shut up, who are you? So this Girls Out is just meant to empower our girls, for us to be able to bold enough to speak and fight for ourselves.
Come here today to speak to parliamentarians, and I'm very happy we are able to do this because our advocacy, it should really start at this level in terms of looking at the policy in the country, because there's really no reason why we cannot have free sanitary pad distribution to girls across the country. And you've had them, they engaged with the Committee on AIDS, TB and Malaria, and they've made their commitments. They said we should come back with documentation and we're going to work together. So we are really happy for that. The second issue